Indoor barbecue fans may have a new option worth checking out. The SmoqeX is a compact 3-in-1 appliance that combines a smoker, grill, and air fryer in a countertop-sized design. Built by a team of experienced kitchen appliance engineers and tested by a veteran barbecue expert, it aims to bring authentic smoked flavor indoors without the usual hassle of traditional grilling. One of its biggest selling points is convenience. Instead of dealing with charcoal, propane, and constant temperature monitoring, SmoqeX uses an electric heating system that can be programmed for up to 12 hours. It also includes a built-in meat probe that automatically switches to a keep warm mode once your food reaches the desired temperature. Despite its compact footprint, the unit offers a generous 24.6-liter capacity. It uses real wood pellets to create genuine smoky flavor. But because the pellets aren't used as the main heat source, it requires less fuel than many traditional smokers. The pellet chamber can hold up to 500 grams of wood pellets at a time. SmoqeX offers 3 cooking modes. Smoking mode is designed for slow cooking and foods that absorb smoke well, such as cheese, fish, and nuts. Grill mode handles high heat cooking for steaks, burgers, ribs, brisket, chicken, and vegetables. Air fryer mode delivers crispy results with little or no oil, making it suitable for fries, fish sticks, and similar foods. A standout feature is its built-in smoke filtration system. Dual convection fans and filters help neutralize smoke before it exits the appliance, allowing indoor use without filling your kitchen with smoke. Cleanup is also designed to be simple, thanks to removable dishwasher-safe racks and a drip tray. Compared to other indoor smokers on the market, SmoqeX offers a larger cooking capacity, more smoking presets, and higher maximum temperatures. It also adds grilling and air frying capabilities, making it a more versatile cooking station. One feature that seems missing is app connectivity. For a product focused on convenience and hands-off cooking, remote monitoring would have been a welcome addition. Still, for anyone looking to enjoy smoked foods indoors with minimal effort, SmoqeX presents an interesting option that packs a lot of functionality into a relatively small package.